Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an Excel tutorial on how to make a table budget or pretty much whatever you want, and it's going to be something like this essentially. Very simple. I'm just going to make something like this. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now I'm going to be completely improvising here. I don't really have any script for this. So I'm pretty sure what you do first is make a table. You can make it as big as you want. I don't think that's the right option. Here it is. It's on the home page, and what you want to do is pretty much press this button right here. I'm just gonna add, I'm pretty sure is, which one is it? I think all borders. There we go. And then just check back here. We got obviously add the information and all of that you want to write down. So let's say we're gonna making a budget type of table. Obviously we're gonna add the months. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a bit difficult. There we go. Just get that. Let's say until September. And we can color it completely up to you if you want. I'm just gonna color it with this. Good. There we go. Okay. Then yeah, it's just a matter of writing out. I think like this is a bit too big, the table. So I think I'm pretty sure how you delete it, if I remember, is clear contents, I think. I literally forgot how to do this. Push this, then you. Alright, it's fine, I'll figure that out. But pretty much, we're just gonna write informations. Let's say we're gonna write the income that you've gotten for this year and for this month. So what you want to do is actually move this. Can I move it? Is that possible? Okay, then once you've done that, all you need to do now is just add all the informations that you need. Essentially all of the stuff like obviously the amount of bonus or salary and miscellaneous, essentially if you have like a side job or anything like that, and you can add all of them here. And don't forget to use the total income here to use the formula equals sum, something like that, and just pretty much, yeah, that's how you do it. Just for an example, I'm just gonna be, let's say 5,000 or 5, and then we'll over here we can also what's the name? What's the name? Oh, here. Essentially, you can use it as an accounting, currency, or number. But for number, we're gonna do you in currency, right? And pretty much just give it more decimals. Press enter. Okay, once you've done that, add another, let's say miscellaneous here. I'll add like maybe like another 5,000, or we're just gonna drag it pretty much. There we go, and then press sum, then go this, and pretty much just drag it. Press enter, and pretty much that's the total, and that's pretty much how you do it. You just need to fill up the rest. That's obviously this is just an example. This is for the budget thing. It's completely up to you. You can do whatever you want. But yeah, that's just a really short, simple example for that. But yeah, that's literally it for this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.